Good day to all employers. I'm Gina May Dawa. I'm graduate of Bachelor of Science Information Technology, 25 years old, single, Roman Catholic from Iloilo City. I have work experience as a housemaid in Manila, and my duties are taking care of children 5 to 7 ages, taking care of dogs, doing laundry, cooking, washing dishes, and cleaning the house. I have also worked as a working student in a fast food and admin assistant, property custodian specialist. I'm willing to learn how to cook Japanese food. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to provide my family needs and to earn money. To my future employer, please hire me because I am loyal, trustworthy, and do all my responsibilities. I'm looking forward to work with you soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.